All right, everybody, here we go. We're getting this engine ready to get into the C10 muscle truck, which is up here. And the engine is down here. And eventually this is going to be up here. Can't wait. Can't wait. When I was getting it prepped to put into the truck, I noticed that there might be a crack that was significant in the intake. The manufacturer said, yeah, we're 98% sure that that's not a crack that goes all the way through, but that 2% is worrisome, so we're going to send you a brand new manifold, which they did. And let me show you this manifold that they sent me. It's beautiful. It's of a very similar, if not, it's not exact same design, but it's very similar. There's no name on it. I don't care about the names. It doesn't matter to me, but it is a beautiful casting. Thanks to Blueprint. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.